I'm here to check out a joint where this guy is taking street food to an artisan level. This is Oko.
Cod cakes, table 16.
This is grandma level. I've never had a cod cake like hers until I tried Mark's.
There's a secret recipe I heard, and you can't have it anywhere else.
NewFoundLand Cod cake recipe. This recipe is 432 years old.
Wait. Where's the 32 come in?
Because when it was handed off to me, it was 400 years old. I'm gonna cook the potatoes
Yukon potatoes.
with the parsnip and the onion. Poach our cod separately. Newfoundland, man, where I grew up, cod is king. In cod we trust.
Do not take our American slogan and rip it off and throw a fish in the middle
I
of it.
thought you guys stole that from us.
Do you have it on a coin? Thank you.
I think we
Thank
might.
you.
I think
You
we
don't have it
might.
on a coin.
We're gonna add our cod to our potatoes, melt the butter. This here is Newfoundland Savory. It has a very unique flavor, and it's less woodier than, say, a winter savory.
I was just gonna say that.
This is one of the magic ingredients. Add salt and pepper, fresh parsley. I mash this up,
All right, so these will set up.
then we're gonna bread them using seasoned flour, egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. Drop them in the fryer for 4 minutes.
And what do we serve them with?
It's caperberry mayo.
This I gotta see. That's the big caperberry. Seed pods inside of it, and it comes in a pickly brine.
Give these just a quick chop, and then I'm gonna throw in all my ingredients. Mayo,
You sure that's sweetened condensed milk again?
yeah. Dijon, it's local honey, lemon juice, flat leaf Italian parsley, fresh dill, chive, and thyme. And a little Worcestershire,
That's how you get around saying it wrong?
pepper, salt, add a little lemon zest. Give this a quick puree. So this is gonna be our cod cake plate. Caperberry mayo we just made, red cabbage slaw, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes. You should have wore a helmet for this one. This one's gonna blow your mind. Okay, fried Atlanta cod cakes, some fresh herb, caperberries, lemon wedge, and it's done.
This is gonna be interesting. It's dynamite. It's creamy, delicate, nice amount of crunch to the outside of it. It's like a fish and chip gnocchi. You can taste the fish, but not fishy. And the caper aioli is the sleeper here. That extra acidity and razzmatazz is what elevates the entire game.
It tastes pretty fresh for a recipe that old.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.